Bro, it's recording. Man, shut the fuck up, bro.
Record the car.
Bro, that motherfucker parked all over there. How the fuck you want me to record that shit? I'm not finna walk all over there.
Your fat ass needs it.
Bitch. Oh, we got the homie pulling up. Bro, why you talking shit about my drip, bro? Bro, yeah, tell me I fuck with that shit. They're nowhere near matching.
Oh yeah.
What fuck you are?
This fucking mustard and ketchup.
Oh, my fault. Oh, I make you nervous?
I shake a lot. You know, this broke my dream of being a surgeon.
For real?
Yeah, because I was, to be a surgeon, you gotta look at that, bro.
Damn.
Kill someone,
bro.
Fucking kill someone,
bro.
Nah, but
It's okay. Just become an OnlyFans model.
He's trying to do the heart and something the penis. It's because I strain my muscles too much from work.
I don't know about that, bro. You be doing something else.
Stop. What do you mean by that?
Oh, bro. Ooh, it's a Honda.
Hey man, where's the fucking cars at?
Bro, there's a truck right here, bro. There's a car right here.
This truck, fuck this car. I need to see some Lamborghinis. I need to see some.
Bro, we're in the fucking broke side of Houston, bro. Talking about.
That's what we're here.
Exactly. That's why this bitch is stolen. This is a striker.
We're not even in Houston.
We got under there.
You gotta turn it off. That's when I step on it.
Damn, bro, you need some fucking brakes on that shit. God damn. So how would you eat a fat torta? Do a description right now.
I can't pick her up because she's too big.
Okay.
So I literally just. You just fucking up.
Man, what you know about the Honda, man? Sassy baka.
That should be the intro.
Need some WD-40, bro. That's what I'm saying. Squeak.
I mean, there's.
And if you hear this and they're gone, then they're back.
Northside Blooming, I don't know. It was kind of lame, I ain't gonna lie. So we made it to Essence, as y'all can see. Well, once I switch the camera, y'all be able to see. But y'all can hear this bitch is popping, and it's fucking crazy. Bro, how you feel, bro? That's your competition right there. Man, fuck you.
It's here, right?
Yeah. See, I know that stock converter crying.
That shit.
Look how it shakes that ass, boy. I don't know if you're able to see that in the camera, though. That's crazy. But yeah, this bitch is low-key popping. Northside's wasn't, but this bitch is, I ain't gonna lie. What the fuck? CR1? Damn.
Yo, don't forget to get the best taco in the north side, baby. Hell yeah, right here. Y'all got a special going on, so y'all slide through.
This is like the second time I see the C2 over here, or C4, my bad. Much bigger, all the Corvette owners. But damn, look at this shit. One day I'm gonna have one of these. Them bitches are super clean. Look at that shit. I could play my fucking Xbox on that big ass tablet they got. I like that colorway on that though. A whole lot of red bombing, but that bitch right here. Woo-wee. This bitch is clean. That's some fat ass tires if you tell me, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that was pretty gay, bro. Why can't you see my ass? That's badass, I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? Next to another one on a drag pack. That whole hard. I like how everything right here is all carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. See, that's hard. Oh, there goes my boss. That's my boss. They say the BMW stare ain't real, but look at it face to face. That bitch looks real. I ain't gonna lie, them BMWs, them turbos be sounding good as fuck when they start spooling. Puro tacuechando, cuz. That's a clean ass truck, I ain't gonna lie. See, I be seeing cars that I want, but I just can't afford. Sometimes I just want to kill myself. Actually, pause. Don't even put that in the video. I'm gonna cut that shit out.
Camera.
Yes?
You're not supposed to be talking. You're just supposed to be fucking recording.
Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna just kill myself. But back to it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep on talking because fuck that dude. I don't know him, he's homeless. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't even know they made this bitch fucking convertible. See, I don't know why. Chryslers, they're actually pretty sexy. See, when people say about lift the trucks, this is what I mean right here. Alright, what the fuck this Honda's got to do with this? Why y'all hating on Hondas?
Fuck Honda.
Alright,
I'm just playing.
man, fuck your truck.
Yeah, fuck my truck.
if y'all know Guero Champ, that boy, his man himself is right there, and he's recording. You know what I'm saying? Everybody be outside. Yo, what's up, big dog? What you doing? God damn. Yo, that bitch loud as fuck. God damn. Dude, I hate to be next to him on the highway. Hey, bro, fuck y'all. I like how one of his headlights is not working.
You're going to see your sister. Oh, see that?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know, but dunks. It's a beautiful creature. High school dropout, that was hard as fuck, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, but this Impala, bro. That's the clip of the night, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, look at this bitch right here. I feel like, in my opinion, anything that's Pat built, them motherfuckers are not to be fucked with. I ain't gonna lie. See, I fuck with the rap. What you think about the rap? What you think about the rap? Okay. I fuck with it. I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with the pink and gray.
Oh, he fucked right.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Look at them wheels.
Hey, you would text me my partner picture right quick?
Yeah. So yeah, back to the video. I'm saying how to take some pictures for some guys. I think I did a horrible job, but hey, it's the thought that counts, the effort that counts, you know. It is what it is. But yeah, they're over there. But pointing the camera or pointing fingers is bad. Disrespectful. Yeah. This bitch is fucking clean. The fact that it matches the colorway, the pink stands out a lot. You gotta give it props. Well, not give it props. I'll give it props because I'm not a big fan of Dodges, but this shit it's definitely out there, 100%.
Name for free, but they put the comments out. We got some micheladas right here. If you guys are thirsty, name free. They're
Oh damn! Is it gonna start? Hopes and dreams.
like your car.
Bro, exactly like my car. Once I get on the driver's seat, put the key on, try to turn that bitch on. First, I gotta pray, just in case. If it turns on. If it turns on after that, then I can worry about the other problems. I just needed a crank. Oh, look at this C5. See, that is clean. I really do fuck with the colorway. Very nice. Look at that. We're currently on the hunt for my boss. I'm trying to find my boss, but he keeps fucking walking away all fast and shit. Look at this dude. Fucking tall as shit. But he's super clean though. Well, his girls. But I don't know about him.
Big Joe, Big Joe, though. The big one, not the little one. Hey, make sure y'all like and subscribe and tap the fucking.
Nah,
you
for
know the
real.
vibes. When you see the Honda smacking all these motherfuckers out the game, you gonna know it was built by us and tuned by us.
You want to say anything to the camera? No? I just put up full blast.
Hey, my boy's in his demons. He's in a purple demon. They both vlogging right now too. Oh, there we go. It's so bad. Okay, no. Okay, so it's not.
Man, I was like, what?
Wrong. Super B.
Bro, I was like, this ain't no demon.
Yeah, my bad. I know. He has a lot of cars. It's hard.
I see, I want to have those problems.
Yeah, he has a shit ton of cars, bro.
Bro, when are you going to stop drinking, bro?
Fucking never. What's going on, man?
Guys, this is my my boss's girl's car. She actually did the wrap herself. And I ain't gonna lie, it came out pretty good. I don't know what's your thoughts about this. See, this is from another angle. See, I like how only one headlight is up, but the other one is not. That's because that one doesn't fucking work. But yeah, look at this Camaro. I know they got high Rams, but I feel like this is a different type of brand, but I feel like it still works the same though. This was at the other meet that I was at last weekend. Man, this thing sounds good. Fucking chopping out his ass, bro. See, I saw something that caught my eye, alright? Y'all can't tell me this bitch ain't clean, bro. On the motherfucking trailer, CR fucking 1. Oh shit, it's Danny G. I don't know why, I feel like I follow this person on Instagram. I've seen this car before. But that bitch is bad. See, we got another one over here. Whoa. I know this bitch gotta be chopping out their fucking ass. Like, there's no way it doesn't. I'ma have me one day. That has to be the fucking dream. Like, there's no excuse. Like, I'ma get one of these bitches one way or fucking another. If I have to strike them bitches, I'ma strike them bitches. I ain't gonna lie, Mustangs with drag packs, it's like cherry on top. I'll be a Stans boy. You wanna be Stans? I ain't gonna lie, that's pretty clean. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. We're going home already. It's already almost like 11 o'clock. It's time to go to bed because a guy got work tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all stay tuned for the next one. Y'all like and subscribe. And y'all stay safe as always. Peace.